Hello guys, welcome back to a new episode of Salesforce courses. And I think we just go into the stuff. Let's go not to those, but to the dev YAML for sure. Let's log in, and after logging in, we just can get all the stuff we need. Yeah, we can just open up developer console after this. So we are logged in. We can open up developer console and also the outbound change set. And now we are going to verify our implementation. I guess we are not finished yet. We have the field custom validation exception, but we will also just open up the ABZ class and hit the execute last. So we are going to do it again. Field custom validation exception. So there's an end time, and the end time is not cannot be 15 minutes after the start time. Actually, that's a little bit strange, and so I'm going onto the Arbeitszeiten because I think it's on the Arbeitszeiten, like the working times. How you can see this? Actually, it's about the time, to be honest. But if you're not sure what kind of object it is gonna be, so you can make a list of all the objects you are creating in here. And so it's like we have accounts, quotes, opportunities, contacts, and also some Arbeitszeiten, working times. And so you can go through all the stuff like in here, open up the object manager and then go through your list. And you need to type in this message, yeah, like this message, this one. You just copy this one, and as soon as you just find the stuff you want to find, let's do it for this one. The and this one. Just one. Okay. That's quite strange. Okay. So it's not going to be the Arbeitszeit. Can it be 15 minutes later? Okay. Actually, it should be the Arbeitszeit, but maybe it's not in here. It's like in the trigger, maybe. Yeah. So we go into the trigger. It's the Arbeitszeiten trigger, so not a big deal. So it's the same procedure. You go through the triggers and look for it, yeah. And it is this one, yeah. And so the end time cannot is 15 minutes. Let me see. Okay. Okay. So it cannot be pre-filled, it's fine, but it cannot be 15 minutes from the... Okay. Kann ich weiter 15 Minuten. It's about 30 minutes away. But let me see if it's true. Actually, it cannot be true because we have working times with more than 15 minutes, to be honest. To make this sure, we go to the Google. We are just opening up Drive. Let's let in calculate a little bit. But until this, I will just go to the stuff and will do something like system.debug, yeah? Because the working times we're just inserting, and so we need to get the times for sure. So in here we get the date string, but we also need to get the time string, time von and time bis, and so we can get the error. So we also need to change the date for sure. So it's gonna be the time string, and the Mitarbeiter, it's just an addition. Let's go for this one. Oops, time string bis. let's speed it up a little bit. Let's hit save. While it's saving, we just go into this deep, or take a deep dive. We just don't want to wait, so the waiting times, I'm just doing something else. But actually, we have 2 hours in between, so the error logically shouldn't come, but it is coming, but not a big deal. It has to do with time, and so we are in here. Yeah, that is why we are giving good names, just because of the time, and hours fun, hours bis, yeah, something like this. And I think I will just hit the yeah, I will hit this one. Actually, it should be fine because it's not a now or something. It doesn't count from now. Let's get for the end, the bis time. So it's gonna be the end time. That's why we just need this one, and we will get something like the end time. And hit save. I think we need the end time, and the end time is gonna be the error or not. Yeah. Let's hit execute. And we are going to figure out what's going to be the error. So in here, everything is fine. That's also the CSV, and the CSV is going to be read by the system, and that's why it's going to be fine. And so it's taking a little bit of time. There will come an error for sure. But now we are able to figure out where the error is going to coming and why it is coming. So I will just download the stuff for sure. I think it's gonna be big, so we go for the change log levels. Yes, it's gonna be big. The debug, hit done. Next time it's gonna be quicker. Sometimes you forget it, but after a while you get used to it and you will have it. So it's gonna be 17, 17, 17, 17, 17, 18. Okay. 18, 17, but it's gonna be fine actually. So we have all the stuff in here. It's not from today, just because today is system.now, should be fine. Actually, I don't know why. Let's go into the Arbeitszeiten trigger and let's say why it is taking the error. So let's say system.debug. And then we go like the error, just to figure out where's going to be the error, because I don't know. And it's not. I don't know why it is like this. Let's say we have the error, and let's say we're going for this abz.error, and also we need something like the date, so to be sure to have a unique identifier. And after making sure you have a unique identifier, you can just get the string out of there. So like this, I will save it a little bit in between, or copy it, and I will hit it again. Yeah, I don't know why it's the error is coming. Actually, it should really everything should be fine, just because we didn't change anything in here. So and earlier it also. Okay, it also was fine, but maybe it's some kind of it is can be, yeah, that the date is gonna be disrupted or added 20 or maybe something like this. Logically, it's not logical, so don't know. But let's stick to the program and let's say 1012. It's about 1012. Okay. It's gonna be 1012, yeah. So the 12th of October. Huh? No. Huh? Yeah, I think it should be like this. Let's see if you're hitting the right new instance. It's like the date and the time. The date is gonna be like, what is the date? The date is dt. Lowest worker date is DT. DT is something like the DT. New instance, year, month, and day. Okay. Let's go for the date. New instance. Year, month, day. Yeah, it's fine. Year, it's gonna be this one from the right. Month is gonna be, now let's say the day is gonna be from the left. I think it's fine. It's gonna be the number 8. And also, it's gonna be fine, 10, 12. Okay, 10, 12, it's gonna be this one. So this one is not valid, just because it's too late, yeah? The stuff is too late. I think that's okay, yeah? Just because it's, yeah, the error is absolutely okay. The error is absolutely okay. Yeah. The error is okay. But we will just hit something like oder something like in German for sure, but oder die Zeit liegt in der Zukunft. Ja? Or the working time is gonna be in the future. Yeah, so it's gonna be like this. Hit save. So the Arbeitszeiten we should also put into the change set. Oh, we already did. That's fine. So by now it should be fine. And also we just need to take it out just because the working time has not occurred yet. And I guess that's really fine. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna not in here, we're gonna download this one, and after downloading it we will delete this one, because we just changed the data a little bit. Yeah, we just go to the downloads. To be able to read it a little bit better, I will create a new folder, something like this. Let's hit this one. Let's go for like, no, I will put out this one, and the other stuff is gonna go in here. So we have a little bit more overview. And all I'm doing, I'm just going into the stuff, and I will just delete this one. Whoa. Just this. Hello. I will delete this row. I will go to the end and I will delete it, and that's fine. So that's it. I just deleted it, and it's gonna be fine. Or what I'm gonna do is, because it's test data and I don't want to have less test data. Let's say it's in September. Yeah, I think in September it's fine. No. So we just changed it. Yeah, we changed it. So all the test data is in the past, and we're gonna go like hitting this card, and also we go uploading this. Let's go to the downloads. Let's go to this one and upload this. Yeah? So we're gonna upload this, and then it's gonna be fine, to be honest. And for now it should work. Yeah? It should work. It was just because of the test data, and that is why it didn't work. But for now, it should work. Yeah, or it will work. Yeah, actually, it will work. So by now it's gonna creating all the stuff. It should create all the opportunities, all the quotes, everything. So the young monka should be created by now, well, in a couple of minutes, and the hello world is already created. So we go into the stuff. Let's go for the quotes, and the quotes also in there, and the related stuff is like the working time. So it's gonna be 4 working times. Let's go and verify this, just to be sure that it's really working. Actually, okay, there's a folder, that's fine. But in here, a folder is missing, as you can see here. Why is that? Okay. So the hello world is not going to be in here. That's a little bit strange, but not a big deal. At this point, maybe I should change my password or something. Or I should just close. The test data is going to be deleted, yeah. Maybe I deleted it by accident, but I don't hope so. Success. So everything should be fine, actually. The Monka has been created. Monka has been created, and so also the quotes have been created. That's the September quote and the October quote. And let's go just verify if everything is fine. So like the name is fine, as I can see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Let's go to Yamumanka. We have the working times, and we have something like the copy in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we have 5, and 1 for October for sure. 1 for October, so it's gonna be this one. And actually, we got it. Yeah, we have all the working times in here by now. Yeah, great. So the test is valid. As the test is valid, we can go on. Okay, go for it. And now we can write some tests for sure. Let's open it up, and we are going to write the tests. I think we already began with the tests right away earlier on, but for now we will go for the real test, right? Let's go for one test, if it's working or not. So in the meantime, we changed something about the code, and actually the code should be working again, but there's no content. Okay, no content to map. That's okay. And now we are figuring out why it's not working. Yeah? Not a big deal. So no content. Let's say to the map of input. DCVL is untyped. Let's go for JSON for sure. The ABZ drivelet, yeah, it's about creating working times in the 45. Let's go for 45. And let's go like DCVL is untyped. So we have no metadata string, okay. Let's go for the metadata string. I guess nothing is in there, so in the metadata string. So we have something like metadata, yeah, and so we just need to go into our mock and get the metadata for sure. What we're gonna do, we just getting the success, read the metadata, and we will write the metadata into the system. Yeah, as we already did it, we have put the static resources, and so we go like this. Yeah, that's about the structure, and everyone who has sticked to now is understanding this. Yeah, so the patterns are gonna be repeated. Yeah, that's the stuff. Okay, developer, hit save. I will go for the metadata string and also the static resources, right? So we have the static resources. I will open up and I will go to the mock. And as you can see here, we have the endpoints, and relating to the endpoints, I will give back some static resources for sure. Yeah? I will return the resources, yeah? And so yeah, it's gonna be fine. So for now, I also will do it like we, yeah, let's say we're changing something due to today. Yeah, that's why we hit this one, and also the date. We just need to put in the date, and that's fine, because the author remains the same, and also the other stuff remains the same, so we don't need to change anything. And we can go like this one, add ID1, begin, yeah, and also end. For now, and this one. We have something like a public, static, not void, it's about string. Get resource body. Get the resource body. Just because we want to have just the body, I think. No, actually the response. Okay. No, and here we just want the resource. That's fine. Just to make it a little bit shorter, I guess. That's about the resource name. And then we go like return this one. We will just do it like this. The name is actually unique, that's why we can do it like this. And we will give back the body. Yeah, for sure, the body. So it's going to be the body, and then also to string, and that's going to be it. So that's fine. And also we will do it like this. We will just do the resource name, and that's fine. Yeah, so we have everything in here. Get resource body with this one. That's it. Yeah, it's a little bit shorter, I guess. Yeah. So we do it like this. It's a little bit shorter, and it's fine. Yeah. Actually, in here we are doing the same. Yeah, but we do it like another name. By another name, we will just get this name in here, and we go like this one. The body, and so it's a little bit shorter, and I guess it's a little bit better to make it. Yeah. Okay, the mock should be already in. Yeah, it's already in. That's great. What we have done is we had static resources. Yeah. What we wanted to do is to create a new static resource, and what we're gonna do is let me see the names of the resources. About yeah. Okay, it's about this name. We will give it a similar name. Actually, we already have a metadata string. Okay, let's get a little bit strange, to be honest. Let me see what is the meta here, because we already had the metadata string actually. So we go in for the success in here, and we go like the metadata string. Sorry, the metadata string, and so we have all the metadata in here, something like this. But we need the read request. It's about this one, right? Description dot my fields parent's name, description mime type. Okay, let's go for this one. This is going to be the endpoint. Maybe we have the wrong endpoint in here, and so it's not gonna working. So let's go for this. Okay, I think it's because of the ID. No, the ID is also the same. Actually, the ID is gonna be the same. Okay, maybe there's another ID in here. So we have another ID for sure. And so the get endpoint No, it's not going to be the equals. We will do it like another one. No, but actually it should be like this. Let me see. System.debug. Let me see which kind of endpoints we have in here. And so we can figure out what's going on in here. So it's going to be the HTTP response. And the response is going to calling the response method. And the response method, it's going to be calling the endpoint. And the endpoint, it's going to be like this one. So this is going to be the endpoint. And let's figure out why it is. Let's go for the test again. And we should get the message for the endpoint for sure. So we're going to get like this. And we will figure out what it is. We just get the download stuff. We have this one. Okay, the trash sort. It's gonna be null. Okay, the files is gonna be null. Okay, and that is why we are not getting anything. Yeah. Okay, the files is gonna be null, so we will hit something like this one, and also yeah, like in here. That's gonna be the null value, and so children max without. Okay, null children. Okay, null children max without order by trashed false. Okay. Okay. We go on. But it is still an error. Okay, interesting. Actually, it is only getting this one, and so after going into the endpoint, it's getting an issue. Yeah, it's getting an issue. And let's say we have the body for sure, and the body is gonna be like not the endpoint. Let's go for the body. We are hitting the body, and it's safe. So we're gonna go clear this one. Yeah, we have the body in here. And so it's gonna be for, let's see, the children. Yeah, it's gonna be the children. Children minus body. And so that's gonna be it. Okay. 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 Creating working times. Still 45, to be honest. That's about this one. So the metadata string is gonna be empty, to be honest. And actually, I don't know why. Let's go for the request. The request is the Google something. Yeah. Let's go for the children string. If the children string is working or not. But I guess it should be working, to be honest. We have the children string in here. Okay. Okay. So this is going to be the children string. And And after getting the children string, maybe we should set the mock again or something. It can be that the mock is gonna be. I think it will do it a little bit different. Let's go for like if it is gonna be a test, then the metadata string is gonna be like this. Yeah. So I will go for this one. I don't see any issues about this. So let's say not. Yeah. Let's say if the test is running test. Then we say the metadata string is gonna be from the mock. We have the get resource body, so we go to the mock, get the resource body, and we have it like read it from here. Yeah, we are just reading it from here. So what we're gonna do is the public static final string. Was it called sr underscore metadata string? It's gonna be this one. No, this one. Yeah. And we will also use it in here, so to be sure we're getting the same stuff. But we save it, and also we put it like here, but with the mock in before for sure, just because we are just calling this method. So we have the metadata string in here. It's a little bit, yeah, I think it's okay. Was a little bit tricky, but now we got it, and actually, the code is big anyway, and there's no issue about doing it like this. Yeah. Success. Great. Actually, at least it's going through, but we are only doing some stuff. Yeah, we are not creating anything. Let's see if we have all the data in here. Let's see for the ABC group. The children, okay. We have the children response string. Okay, we have the children, and here we have the metadata string, okay. And also we need something like the folder, so it's going to be the folder for sure. Then we have the children. The child is getting like this, and also let's go for the metadata. That's also fine, I think. Okay, let's say we are just deploying it by now. Just give it a try. Yeah, we are just testing it, or just let's go. No, I don't think it's not doing what it should do. Create working times. Actually, it's gonna doing it. Okay, there's no content for the map. Actually, we will go on. The error is going on, and we will go for no content. Okay, no content to map. 47. Actually, it should be content. 47. Metadata string. When it's running, no. If it's running test, then the metadata string is gonna be filled actually. Okay. Okay, actually the metadata string should be filled. Good to know. The file is empty. That's why. Okay, my bad. And then let's go for the metadata string. We will go like this one. We will go for the metadata string for sure. And yeah, it's gonna be in here for sure. And so it's not working out, but we are just executing the last. Then it's gonna be working out. And in the meantime, I will go to the elements. I think one of them should contain the metadata string. No, this one doesn't. This one doesn't. This one doesn't. Yeah, I don't know. Let's go for this one. And then it's gotta be this. Let's go for the new text, and the new text is gonna be go in here. Let's hit edit and put the right data in there. Hit save. Give it a try, and now we are just having the right data in there. So I think we don't need this one. So that was a wrong derive. So let's go for the execute. But actually we should come to an end a little bit, or maybe it's almost the testing stuff. Okay, let's go for, actually it's not my bad. I just have to run the test for sure. So there's still no content, to be honest. Still 45, okay. And then we will go like this one, hit save. Attempt to dereference a null object. Okay, but it's a little bit better, yeah. We have another error. Hello. And so the stuff. Okay, let's go for this. Attempt. 269, okay. Create working times, okay, it's about here. Highest worker date. We have no highest worker date in here. It's just because it didn't call. Then let's go for the highest worker date, where it's gonna be defined. It's gonna be in here. And so we need a date matcher. For sure we need some data, yeah, we just need the data in there. So what we're gonna do is we download the stuff again, and we putting in the data, yeah? And at the point which we will just put in the data to be sure that it's working, and it's gonna be fine. So it's gonna be like the content with Google Drive file for sure. let's go for this. We have the application folder equals mem type. Let's go for children and manga. Let's go for now we have the metadata string. It's fine. So for the Google children, yeah, we have the child ID, so it's gonna be fine actually. Not really, I think. I just have to do it like this. This is what we will put to the next time, because it's taking a little bit more time. So what we're gonna do is we will just save what we've done, like the change set. Yeah, and we will retrieve the change set, and that's fine. And then we have just some kind of backup. In the meantime, we will just hit this one, open it up. It's gonna be the source tree, and so we will put all the stuff in here. We have the Arbeitszeiten aus Google Drive backup. We will just have a backup for this. And as we have the backup, I will just upload everything in here. I will commit all the stuff for sure. No, not this one, so it's not for my customer for sure. I need another one. Actually, I need this one. Open, please. It's not opening. It's not opening my repository. I think it should be in here, but we are just putting the stuff in here, isn't it? I think we're putting it in here, and then that is what we just done. Yeah, this is the stuff. So that's gonna be fine, but we didn't open up. Huh? Let's go like at least I will push the data from my customer, but actually the deployments should open up. So let's go like this, close it and open it again. Okay, it was not finished yet, my bad. But actually, what is that? Okay. What is that? So actually it should open up, but it doesn't. Okay, about the deployments, it's a little bit strange to be honest. Can we just change the folder, please? Let me see where I've just the properties. Yeah, this is gonna be the tool, that's fine. So what I need to do is I just change the folder maybe. No. Clone, add, create. Not really add. Let's go for the stuff in here, the stuff in here, and all of this. Let's go for it. Okay, I hope it doesn't matter. I think that's fine, to be honest. So it's gonna take me a little bit time to figure out if they changed something, I guess. I hope so. And yeah, it's just figuring me out a little bit, so I will just let it to time, and I will see you next time. Right? Have a nice day.